Hey, listen, I'm practicing. Today I got a small little gig. Well, I said today, 3 weeks. I got a friend who do like summer holidays for kids. So I do the cooking for them. So today I'm doing some, yeah, you know how it goes. So today I probably got about 30 kids. So this is our little facility. Today I'm doing some little rice with some sweet corn, You know how I season up my thing. You know how it goes, my scallion and my little things and things. Today I'm doing some chicken. I got some chicken breast there, marinating, ready to go. You know how it goes. I'll be seasoning that up and proper and putting that on soon. So, but yeah, I got all my veg and stuff. I'll be going on my nice stew chicken. Yeah, man. Yeah, nice, exciting. Yeah, so it's just something I'm doing in the meantime while I ain't got much to do because funding, I have to find something to do in the meantime. So this is what I'm doing for the next 3 weeks. Done a few days already. I should have recorded already, but I just been so busy. I just haven't had time. But I'm going. So today I give them some proper food. A couple of days ago, I just been giving them the typical chicken nuggets and stuff like that. So today they're getting proper home cooking. So they be getting the proper stewed chicken and rice. Nice seasoned rice, you know what I mean? With sweet corn and stuff. I'll be putting some little carrots in there, Spice it up, you know what I mean? So they get some proper stuff today, man. Not the regular pizza and stuff like that. So yeah, man, looking nice. So things are progressing. So I'll keep you guys up to date what's happening. All right, peace.